Skip first line in import statement using gc.open_by_URL from Gspread, i.e. add header is equal to 0. What is the equivalent of header is equal to 0 in pandas, which recognizes the first line as a heading in Gspread? Pandas import statement, correct. Using the Gspread function, so far I import the data, change the first line to the heading, then delete the first line after, but this recognizes everything in the data frame as a string. I would like to recognize the first line as a heading right away in the import statement. Gspread import statement that needs header is equal to true equivalent.
Looking at the API documentation, you probably want to use the .get_all_records method returns a dictionary of with the column headers as the keys and a list of column values as the dictionary values. The argument head is equal to determines which row to use as keys. Rows start from 1 and follow the numeration of the spreadsheet. Since the values returned by .get_all_records are lists of strings, the data frame constructor, pd.dataframe, will return a data frame that is all strings. To convert it to floats, we need to replace the empty strings and the dash-only strings, dash, with na-type values, then convert to float. Luckily, pandas data frame has a convenient method for replacing values.replace. We can pass it mapping from the string we want as nas to none, which gets converted to nan.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.